Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And my good friend Jeff from Jacksonville came this week and brought me some more of his radios to show you. And I'm going to show you the first one right now. This is a Zenith AM/FM model RF-42V. And he says it works fantastic. Got a little handle right here. Pops up. Telescopic antenna for FM. Over here is the tuning and on-off volume and the earbud jack. Earbud jack. Back here is the switch for AM or FM. It has two sources of power. See if I can get this open. Oh, I always struggle with this. This is really clamps in tight. There we go. Okay. It has a built-in AC adapter, so you can run it off of AC, or it uses 4 AA batteries. Pretty neat. Now, we struggle a little bit getting this cover back on. And we get it lined up. There, it clicks in place. You got to get it perfectly lined up. And he also told me that if you're using the AM band, that it's best to have this handle up. He says it seems like it creates some kind of interference. So we're going to do that. We're going to go to AM and get the reflection right so I can see AM is down. Yeah, AM is down. And we'll turn it on. And we'll choose the right button to turn it on. And we'll go down to, go down to the end of the band, the beginning of the band, somewhere down here someplace. Okay, nice smooth tuning.
And Clayton was very forthcoming with us. We even talked
very
to him
good sound.
COVID.
Lots of volume.
We probably had him on maybe 7 to 10 times.
See if it's directional.
One that I remember with Clayton Kershaw, he was our first.
No, that's a strong signal.
After we went to starting to use Zoom.
No tiene síntomas similares, uno puede.
Not the other one, that's brick, but the gravel one, that's his house. I can't believe.
See if I can find a weak station. Right there's one. No, it doesn't seem to be directional.
Under a recall process at that time. He was up.
He's a native identity home in Flushing, Queens, and.
Sad. Of course they would.
Attempted murder.
Yeah, it appears when you put that down, all this seems to be plastic. But when you put this down, it seems to interfere. You get noise, more noise. Okay, let's try FM. Put this down, and then we can put the telescopic antenna up, which is about 15 inches long. Okay, we'll tune down the band.
Sign the bill, and it will take effect in July. So maybe there'll be other states as well that will follow suit and say, look, if the federal government's not going to take care of taking these people, holding them, or
yeah, lots of volume.
With over 300,000
Picking up a lot of stations.
Trent met up with
Going kind of fast. You probably hear my cat. She wants me to pick her up.
He's got a stump speech. He's got a speech that he's giving at these fundraisers where he talks about...
Yeah, good reception. So this is Zenith. And it says right here, AC/battery. Pretty nice. Very good condition. Very excellent condition. I don't see any scratches or anything. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. I want to thank you for stopping by and watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. That helps. Have a great day. Bye-bye.